It finally came. The mount we've been waiting for. So we're gonna do an unboxing right now. You can hand it to me now. We're gonna do an unboxing, but my husband does not want his face on camera.
Or body.
Or body. So this is gonna be a little difficult. How about your slippers? Can I show your slippers? Okay,
or voice.
Or voice.
Edit that out.
That's gonna be tough. There's Echo. She'll probably play with the boxes while we do this, or while he does this. You're doing a terrible job.
Or am I?
No, you are.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Why are you starting with the little box first?
Because it's little.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Unboxing number 1. That looks like cords and stuff.
No idea what comes with this, so it looks like some sort of power supply.
Looks like a power supply.
This looks like some communications cables.
Communications cables.
And knobs.
And knobs.
And Allen wrenches.
And Allen. Oh, yay, more Allen wrenches.
This is...
And he brought the tripod in from dome number 2, because we will set it up in here before putting it out in the observatory.
This looks like their very generic hand controller.
Oh, that's an interesting hand controller.
Joystick.
Does it even have like a screen or a display?
Nope.
Interesting.
These mounts aren't really meant for
that kind of
hand controlling.
That kind of use. I failed. Oop, we've got weights. I don't think me holding the box is gonna. How much does the weight weigh?
1,000,000.
Oh gosh. You don't remember what the weight is?
No, I don't. That's the weight. This must be
the bar.
The bar.
With this box.
That's one hefty bar.
Let's show it without showing your face. That is a hefty bar. Is that the same? Look at that. It's almost identical to the bar for the rainbow.
Almost. Oh, is there anything else left in that box?
No, just foam. Do you want me to close it up so the cat doesn't get in it, though?
Yeah, probably good.
I don't think there's anything. I was just set this down for this. Sorry, people. Oh, yeah, I can't get the foam out, so. Sorry, Echo, you can't go in here. I don't want you destroying it. Okay. So that was box number 1. Yes, just throw the foam.
That's some high quality foam.
Ooh.
So I read online that you're not supposed to just take these out of the box.
Why?
It's supposed to come with some instructions
On how to unbox it?
on how to remove it from the box.
Oh, I'm doing this vertically. I should have been doing this
So
horizontally.
you don't damage it.
Okay, guys, I'm switching to horizontal.